I got this trellis today from Costco. Beautiful. And it has my favorite plant, Clematis. So this is what is the size on this one? It's about 5 to 6 feet tall. I want to say 6 because I'm 5'3", and that is bigger than me. And then they had this on sale. So let's just get started. That is the bathroom window, and it has a shade. I'm not trying to cover it. I'm just trying to add something beautiful that even if the window is open, it has privacy and you can see something amazing. So let's get started planting the Jackmanii Clematis. I actually yesterday transplanted a clematis seedlings that came out in another side of the garden, and I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna leave it there. So they're both gonna grow, and I mean, I don't know if this one is gonna make it because when I pulled it out, it didn't have much roots. I'll be right back. In here, I have to use this tool because too many rocks. They were on sale and very dry, so I put it in water, in a bucket of water. can see, this is it. And the other one is there. And look at the trellis, how beautiful. With this, we finished. This is it, guys. We are done today. Bye.